Hey everybody, I'm a little mad at myself right now, and I'll tell you why. It's because I'm a decent trader, but I'm a lousy video guy. And so I did this recording about a MicroStrategy trade about 10 minutes ago or 8 minutes ago, something like that, but it didn't record the audio and it was all jumbled up, and it's not that great an audio, so I apologize right now. I'm traveling and I'm kind of stuck with the rooms that I end up getting. I'm in Colombia right now, so that's what I get. Anyway, this is a 5-minute chart of MicroStrategy, and when it was right on this bar here, it was all the way down around $15. And so I went in, and let me show you what I did last week. Last week, if you remember right, we had the 372.50s. I sold 8 of those calls, and I can't remember the number, but I think I ended up making $13,000 on the trade just between Friday and today because the stock went down, so I focus on the juice. I made most of my juice back. In fact, if you look over here, you could see the P&L for the day on those closed out trades, which I'll show you what I did in just a second, is $12,000. So I made most of my juice. I had like $3,600 left in juice, and today's only Monday. So I would have had to wait all the way till Friday to realize the rest of that $3,600. Plus, I kind of thought MicroStrategy was kind of done declining. It went down like 15, 20 bucks this morning, and then it bounced back up, went back down to 15, and that's when I did the trade. And so you can see right now it's down 5. So short term, I feel like I did the right thing, and I bought that back. And now what I'm waiting to do is waiting for it to run up. You could see the trades that I did right here. It was at 9:43, and right now it's 9:53. So that was 10 minutes ago. And so what I did was I bought those back at $475, okay? And I think I sold them for 13 something dollars last Friday, the 372.50. So I ended up making almost $10 per contract, per share, I should say, or $1,000 a contract. Anyway, I made about $12,000, $13,000 on the trade. And now I'm just waiting for it to bounce because I've made most of my juice for the week. So listen, a lot of this is not about the stock direction. That's the toughest thing for people to understand. It's that I focus on the juice. And so you see, I just trade, like the stock went down, okay, I'm cool. I bought back my trade and I collected the juice. Now, if it had gone up, I wouldn't have bought it back probably until Friday, but I would have gotten the same amount of juice that I got, by buying some of it back today. So you kind of win both ways by doing this strategy. And I know it's really weird, and I know that there's nobody else talking about this on the internet, and I know all those things. That's fine. The way it works for me is like if I hang in there long enough on a decent stock, not every stock, but if I hang in there long enough, I'm going to get rewarded because the juice is stupid on these stocks. MicroStrategy gave me huge amounts of juice last week on the 372.50s, and it dropped all the way down to 340 when I pulled the trigger. And so that's 32 points out of the market, out of the money. And now if it goes back up there, that's all free gain I get without having any cap on it. I hope that makes sense. I know this is quick. I wanted to get the video out to you quick because today's a weird day. This was the day that DeepSeek, this was the weekend that DeepSeek, it's some Chinese company, produced an AI, like a ChatGPT, for 1/30th of the cost. So that's threatening NVIDIA, it's threatening Microsoft, it's threatening the market. Because people are like, well, if they can do it in China for 1/30th of the cost, then maybe all these companies that ran up so much last year aren't worth it. So the market's really selling off today. Well, sometimes I look at those sell-offs as opportunities. So here we go. Hi, Mark Yagi here, wealth architect and author of this book on my covered call investing system called the Cash Flow Machine. Listen, what you just saw is just one part of creating reliable income of 2 to 4% a month from the stock market. But if it were that easy, then everyone would do it, right? If you want to learn how I create investment income the right way, then you need to learn and have a system with rules and what-if strategies so that you can learn what I do when the market goes against me, what I do when the stock goes against me, how to adjust my trade so that it's always in a winning position, how much to risk, how to build a multi-million-dollar portfolio that creates income of $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 a month in semi-passive income. And best of all, the whole cash flow machine system takes less than an hour a week to implement. Just go to cashflowmachine.io to learn more, or click this link for more videos, masterclasses, and free resources. See you there. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.